Okay, today we are replacing a pressure reducing valve, also known as a PRV. I'm going to start by installing this new pressure gauge on the new PRV. 1/8" NPT male threads. Pressure gauge that came with the PRV got damaged in shipping. So you can see the threaded port right there, that's where the gauge goes. So this is the outlet side of the PRV. So it'll tell us what our static pressure is once we install it, which is nice. You can see this PRV by Watts is lead-free. That's what the LF stands for there. And you never want to use the gauge to tighten it. You always want to use these flats with a wrench. This is the new PRV. It's a 2" PRV by Watts. And it's also nice, it has that built-in union that you see on the inlet. So first we shut off water to this 3-story commercial office building. You can see the valves in the inlet and outlet are shut off. I'm loosening this bonnet so I can relieve the pressure inside the PRV. I'm also going to take off this cap or plug here to relieve the pressure inside the PRV and drain the water out. I'm going to break loose the union on the inlet side of the PRV. There we go. I'm going to unscrew the PRV from the outlet pipe with my pipe wrench. Like so. I'm going to clean up and inspect the threads. Apply some new Teflon tape to the pipe threads and also some pipe dope that is safe for potable water. Put just a tiny bit of pipe dope on the sealing surface of the union. And that O-ring on there is what makes the seal. A little bit of pipe dope on the threads as well. So I'll thread the PRV onto the male threads first on the outlet side. I'm using 2 pipe wrenches to hold back on the other pipe as I tighten the PRV. There we go. Now for the inlet side, the union side, get it lined up and tightened. Now I use my pipe wrench to tighten it up the rest of the way. All right, I'm going to slowly and gently open the water inlet valve. You can see the gauge went up. I'm going to slowly open the outlet valve. I'm just checking these bolts to make sure they're snug. This one comes factory adjusted from the factory at 50 psi. I'll go ahead and open the valve slowly all the way. This bonnet is leaking, so I'm just going to snug up that packing nut. And to adjust the PRV, you loosen that brass nut and then adjust the bolt. Tighten it, that's going to increase the pressure. If you loosen it, that's going to lower the pressure. You can see we're sitting right about 62 psi. That's what I want for this 3-story commercial office building. Check for leaks. There's no leaks. This building has 200 psi coming in. Now that I got it adjusted where I want it, I need to tighten that brass nut down all the way. Just gently snug it up. And we're good to go. Woo! And I'll go in the building and I'll make sure everything works properly. All the toilets flush, all the urinals flush. Hope this helps you. I want to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook right quick. Available in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, as well as resource and training material, and common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Or if you need shirts, hats, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below where you can purchase these products for your facility. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.